In recent years, anti-idling legislation for trucks has been a hotly debated topic across various states in the U.S. These laws aim to reduce the environmental impact of diesel engines by limiting the time trucks can idle. As of 2024, the debate continues with mixed results in different regions. In Washington state, a proposed bill modeled after California's stringent anti-idling regulations was recently defeated, thanks to concerted efforts by the trucking industry. The bill, introduced on January 25, 2024, by Senators Marco Lias, Joe Nguyen, and Patty Kuderer, included provisions to spur electrification in transportation and specifically targeted medium and heavy-duty vehicle idling. If passed, the bill would have imposed fines ranging from $300 to $1,000 per day for idling violations starting January 2, 2025. The Washington Trucking Associations played a crucial role in opposing the bill. If it weren't for us and our team of lobbyists working the issue and bringing stakeholders to the table, we would be in a different position today, said WTA CEO Sherry Call. The WTA led a coalition that included beverage distributors, public waste collection fleets, and utility providers to voice their concerns. Jan Himebaugh, Managing Director of External Affairs at the Building Industry Association of Washington, argued that idling is sometimes necessary to keep workers safe from heat stress and smoke on job sites. Jeff DeVere, a lobbyist for the WTA, highlighted that Washington's circumstances differ significantly from California's. He pointed out that simply adopting California's regulations without considering local conditions would not address the underlying issues causing truck idling, such as supply chain inefficiencies. In contrast to Washington, Wayne County in Michigan has been pushing for stricter anti-idling laws. On February 15, 2024, the Wayne County Commission passed a resolution encouraging state lawmakers to adopt legislation limiting idling by commercial vehicles. This move came after local laws in Detroit went unenforced for over a decade. Raquel Garcia, executive director of Southwest Detroit Environmental Vision, emphasized the potential economic benefits of such laws, noting that reducing idling by just 8 minutes per day could save up to $25,000 annually in fuel costs. Despite these benefits and the environmental health concerns, enforcement remains a significant challenge. Detroit's 2010 anti-idling ordinance, which restricts idling to 5 minutes per 60-minute period, has seen no enforcement action from the Detroit Police Department, illustrating the difficulty in implementing such regulations. As of 2019, 29 states and the District of Columbia had some form of anti-idling law, with additional local ordinances in 13 states. These laws typically vary in their specifics, including idling time limits and the severity of penalties. For instance, New York City has a well-known system where citizens can report idling violations and receive a portion of the fine collected, a model that some states like Utah are considering adopting. The American Lung Association has highlighted the public health risks associated with vehicle emissions, which include increased asthma rates and other respiratory issues. Wayne County, for example, received an F grade for air quality in 2023, underscoring the need for effective anti-idling measures. The push for anti-idling legislation reflects a broader trend toward reducing emissions and addressing climate change. However, the mixed outcomes in states like Washington and Michigan illustrate the complexities involved in balancing environmental goals with practical and economic considerations for the trucking industry. As technology advances and the shift toward electrification continues, the landscape of anti-idling laws will likely evolve. For now, the debate remains very much alive in 2024, with stakeholders on both sides actively shaping the future of these regulations.